Hello everyone, we have given 10 plus 6 equal 36, 20 plus 6 equal 66, 30 plus 6 equal 96, then 6 plus 6 equal what? So can you find the number that fills this logical sequence? Comment your comment what number you have found and watch my solution in this video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I ask you to subscribe it and hit the notification bell because here on the channel we daily uploaded free videos that train your mind in logical reasoning as well as basic to advanced maths. So now take a good look to this resolution. 10 plus 6, 36. How? If I multiply with 3, so I got 10 times 3, 30, and then add 6, 36. Now let's check if it's applicable to the next one. 3 times 20 is 60 plus 6, 66. That's also verified. Now 3 times 30 is 90 plus 6 is 96. So basically what happens? You have to multiply the first digit with the 3 and then add the second digit. So what is 6 plus 6? 3 times 6 is 18 plus 6, 24. So what replaces the question mark? 24. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. Comment down below if you already cracked the logic of this logical sequence. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.